Hello everyone, my name is Elham and today at CJAC we're getting festive. We're creating Grinch slime. Today's festive activity is Grinch slime. The best thing about slime in general is you could colorize it, you could make it scented, you could add confetti, glitter, or those squishy little jelly balls into them. They're a fun sensory play for all ages. So today we're gonna make Grinch slime. So one of the things you're gonna need to make Grinch slime is a container. So I would definitely recommend an airtight container like one of these, where you could store your slime, put it away, mess free, and you'll be able to use it whenever you'd like. The ingredients you're gonna need for your Grinch slime is a cup of clear Elmer's glue, 4 tablespoons of baking soda, your choice of confetti, but since we are creating the Grinch slime, we're gonna use red heart confetti. Grinch color glitter, so we're gonna use green glitter, green food coloring, yellow food coloring, and some contact or saline solution. The first thing you're gonna need is your container. We're gonna add 1 cup of Elmer's clear glue. Get all that glue in there. And grab your spoon. Get everything into your bowl. Once you got your clear glue, we're gonna go ahead and add our 4 tablespoons of baking soda. So the baking soda is gonna add and work as an activator, and that's gonna create your slime. So I have the 4 tablespoons of baking soda. I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 drops of food coloring to create our Grinch color slime. And a little bit of yellow food coloring, so that way it won't be as dark green color as it would come out. Mix everything together. And this is gonna give you that color and that Grinch slime texture that you are looking for. Stir consistently. That way everything is mixed together and combined. If you notice that your slime is a little runny, we're gonna start with adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda at a time to know if our mixture is at the right consistency. So I added 1 tablespoon. We're gonna mix all of this up. Your next step would be adding your green glitter and red confetti. And that will give you that Grinch slime texture and have those nice hearts in there for decorative purposes. We're gonna spice things up with some green glitter. You're gonna add as much glitter as you would like to your slime. We're gonna add a tablespoon of contact solution or saline solution. You're gonna add a tablespoon of your contact solution into your container. We're gonna mix everything up so that way it doesn't stick. And then once you're done with that, add a little bit of contact solution in your hands so that way you can grab it and you can knead it and then you can start playing with your slime. 1 tablespoon contact solution. Okay, let's mix all that up. There we go. All right, so I'm very happy with the consistency of the slime right now. What I'm gonna do is add a tablespoon of our contact or saline solution. And what that's gonna do is basically gonna create that slimy texture, but it won't stick to your hands or your container. That's what we want. So we're gonna add in a tablespoon. We're gonna start with a tablespoon. Okay. Tablespoon of contact solution. We're gonna mix that up. There we go. So, perfect. As you can see, it's starting to grab everything from the container and it's not sticking as much as it did before. So that's exactly what we want. Now here's the best part. You're gonna add contact solutions to your hands or your gloves if you guys don't wanna get messy, and grab your slime and start kneading it. So combine everything together. Let's go ahead and do a little bit of that. Okay, let's grab our slime. Perfect. So you see, as it's not sticking to my hands, we're gonna grab everything. There we go. And just start kneading it. If you notice it's gonna start clinging to your hands a little bit, just add a little bit more of saline solution to your hands and that will get everything right out and sticking to your slime. Okay, I'm gonna grab the rest of the slime that's in here. There we go. Perfect. So as your slime is combining with all your activator, which is your baking soda, your confetti, your glitter, your food coloring, this is how your final product looks like. So see, if the contact solution really does help getting it away from your hands and creating the slime that you like. So there you have it, guys, Grinch slime. I hope you guys had an amazing time making this activity. Please show your results on the comments below. I would love to see how much your Grinch slime turned out and what you guys added to it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope to see you guys next time.